Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you how to add some funny backdrops to your Beatbox machine project. Now, as of May of 2021, Scratch has changed it so that you can no longer take photos using the sprite or the backdrop. So you can't add it into your projects anymore like you used to be able to. So let's talk about how you can actually create some funny photos or pictures for your Beatbox machine project. All right, so first of all, we actually don't need a sprite for this particular project, so you can just click on the little trash can and it deletes Scratch Cat. Bye. All right, so what we're gonna do is actually just create backdrops. And before, you used to have a camera option right here, but now you have two different options for how you can create some funny different photos. The first option that you can do is you can do like what the Pancake Man created with their project, is they just made a bunch of funny sprites with their particular project. So maybe you can add your own sprite or by drawing your own, or you can find one on here and you can, I don't know, maybe pick one at random and go, cool, now I'm going to make some funny looking shoes. Once you have a sprite that you really like, you're going to simply drag it over to your backdrop, boop, and that saves it as a backdrop, which is all we need to use for this particular project. Okay, so that's option number one. All right, so the second option that you can do is you can go down to the backdrop, and instead of choosing a backdrop, you're actually going to upload. And so you click on this button. And since I've already taken photos and I saved it to my desktop, I'm going to select all 4 of my funny photos, and I'm going to press open. That's going to put them into my Scratch project. And these are some awesome photos. Maybe I'll use them for a school photo. And you can actually rename these. So you want to keep one blank backdrop. I'll tell you why in a later video. But you could rename these so that way you know what the backdrops are. So for example, that one is blank. Maybe instead of calling this funny photo 1, I'll just say mouth wide open, frowny face, etc. So click on your photo, go up to the name of this, and then simply change the name to something descriptive. All right, so you have 2 different options for how you can add in at least 4 different funny backdrops into your project. So the first option is you can create some different sprites, kind of like the Pancake Man did in this particular project. And then the second option is you can actually take some photos using your webcam, a phone, or a camera, and then you can simply upload them as a backdrop into your particular project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.